Have you ever wondered how crucial your vision is in your daily life? From the moment we wake up to when we close our eyes at night, our vision guides us, helping us navigate the world. It assists us in everything from reading a book to appreciating the beauty of a sunset. But often, we take this incredible gift for granted. It's only when we start squinting at the fine print or struggle to see in dim light that we realize something's amiss. Just like the rest of our body, our eyes need care. They're not just windows to the world, but windows to our health too. Regular checkups can catch issues early, and preventive measures can keep our eyes in top shape. But did you know that something as simple as what you eat can make a difference? That's right. To maintain our vision health, certain vitamins play a pivotal role. So what are these vitamins? You might be surprised to learn about the different vitamins that can improve your vision health. Yes, we're talking about vision-boosting vitamins. Now, what exactly are these? They are a group of essential nutrients that can play a pivotal role in preventing vision loss and improving overall eye health. Just like the rest of our body, our eyes also require a variety of nutrients to function optimally. The right vitamins can help protect our eyes from conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. Moreover, they can also aid in repairing the eyes from everyday wear and tear. So imagine being able to improve your eyesight and keep your eyes healthy just by incorporating certain vitamins into your diet. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? And that's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. So let's dive in and learn about these 7 essential vitamins one by one. First on our list is vitamin A, often known as the vision vitamin. Vitamin A plays a critical role in maintaining clear vision and preventing dry eyes. It's no wonder that it's gained the moniker, the vision vitamin. Now you may be asking, how exactly does vitamin A contribute to our vision health? Well, let's dive right into it. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin that is crucial for eye health. It contributes to the creation of rhodopsin, a protein in our eyes that absorbs light in the retina and supports low-light vision. Without an adequate supply of vitamin A, our night vision would be severely compromised. But that's not all. Vitamin A also plays a role in maintaining a clear cornea, the outer covering of our eyes. This is essential for our ability to focus on the world around us. Additionally, vitamin A helps in preventing dry eyes, a condition characterized by insufficient lubrication on the surface of the eyes. This can result in discomfort, blurred vision, and even vision loss in severe cases. By ensuring a steady intake of vitamin A, one can reduce the risk of developing this uncomfortable condition. Now that we've established the importance of vitamin A for our eyes, it's time to talk about where we can get it. Vitamin A is found in a variety of foods, particularly in animal products like dairy, fish, and liver. But don't worry if you're on a plant-based diet. You can get vitamin A from fruits and vegetables too, especially those that are orange or yellow, like carrots, sweet potatoes, and mangoes. These foods contain beta-carotene, a compound that our body can convert into vitamin A. So there you have it. Whether you're a night owl who needs to see in the dark, or you're simply looking to keep your eyes well lubricated and focused, make sure to include vitamin A-rich foods in your diet. Remember, a regular intake of vitamin A can help maintain your eye health. Next up is vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. This essential nutrient offers a multitude of health benefits, but today, we're focusing on its significant role in eye health. Vitamin C's main claim to fame in the realm of vision is its antioxidant properties. Our bodies are constantly under attack from free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause damage to our cells. As we navigate through our day-to-day lives, our eyes in particular face a barrage of these harmful free radicals. This is where vitamin C steps in, armed and ready. As an antioxidant, it neutralizes these free radicals, preventing them from causing harm to the eyes. But the wonders of vitamin C don't stop there. It also plays a pivotal role in preventing cataracts. Cataracts, a clouding of the eye's lens, are a leading cause of vision loss worldwide. Research has shown that a higher intake of vitamin C can significantly reduce the risk of developing cataracts. It's believed that vitamin C and the aqueous humor, the liquid inside the eye, can prevent the oxidative stress that leads to cataract formation. Now, you might be wondering, where can I find this incredible nutrient? The answer is simple: in a variety of fruits and vegetables. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are well-known sources of vitamin C, but it's also abundant in other fruits such as strawberries, kiwis, and guavas. On the vegetable side, bell peppers, broccoli, and kale pack a hefty vitamin C punch. To maximize the benefits, aim to incorporate a variety of these vitamin C-rich foods into your diet. And remember, while supplements can help, getting your nutrients from whole foods is always the best approach. So, don't forget your daily dose of vitamin C for healthy eyes. It's not just an essential nutrient, it's your eye's personal bodyguard, tirelessly working to shield them from harm and keep your vision crystal clear. So don't forget your daily dose of vitamin C for healthy eyes. The third essential vitamin for your eyes is vitamin E. Now this one is a real protector. You see, every day our eyes get exposed to harmful substances, both from the world around us and from our own body's metabolic processes. These harmful substances, such as free radicals, can cause damage to the cells in our eyes, leading to vision problems and eye diseases. That's where vitamin E steps in. It's an antioxidant, which means it helps to neutralize these free radicals, reducing the damage they can do. This protective action of vitamin E is especially important for our eyes, which are constantly exposed to light and oxygen, two things that increase the production of free radicals. So, how can we ensure we're getting enough vitamin E to protect our eyes? It's actually quite simple. Vitamin E is found in a wide range of foods. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts, are particularly rich sources. You can also find it in green leafy vegetables like spinach and broccoli. And let's not forget about avocados, they're packed with vitamin E too. But while it's important to get enough vitamin E, it's also important not to get too much. An excess of vitamin E can interfere with the body's ability to clot blood, which can lead to bleeding problems. So as with all things, balance is key. In summary, vitamin E is a powerful protector for our eyes. It helps to neutralize harmful substances that can damage our eye cells, and it's easy to get from a healthy, balanced diet. So the next time you're snacking on almonds or enjoying a fresh salad, remember, you're not just satisfying your hunger, you're also helping to protect your precious vision. Vitamin E, the protective vitamin, is indeed essential for your vision. So, make sure you're getting your share of this vital nutrient and give your eyes the protection they need. Let's now talk about the vitamin B complex, the stress reliever for your eyes. The vitamin B complex is a group of 8 individual vitamins, each playing a unique role in maintaining optimal health and wellness. But did you know these vitamins are also vital for your eyes? They work as stress relievers, easing the strain on your eyes caused by our modern lifestyles. Our eyes are exposed to a lot of stress daily, be it the hours spent staring at digital screens, the intense concentration during activities like reading or driving, or even the harmful UV rays from the sun. All these can lead to inflammation and eye fatigue. This is where the B vitamins come in. They aid in reducing inflammation and help keep your eyes in prime condition. One significant member of the vitamin B complex, riboflavin or vitamin B2, has been linked to preventing cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in people over 60. It works by maintaining the health of your corneas and conjunctival membranes. Another noteworthy mention is vitamin B6, which aids in the proper function of nerves in your eyes. Low levels of B6 have been associated with an increased risk of developing eye disorders, including age-related macular degeneration. But where do we get these eye stress-relieving vitamins? They are found in a variety of foods. You can find vitamin B2 in dairy products, eggs, and green leafy vegetables. Vitamin B6 is abundant in fish, beef liver, and other organ meats, starchy vegetables, and fruit other than citrus. Remember, a balanced diet is key to ensuring you get all the necessary B vitamins. While supplements are available, it's always best to get your vitamins from natural food sources when possible. So, next time you find your eyes feeling tired or strained, think about your intake of B vitamins. Are you getting enough? If not, it might be time to revise your diet and give your eyes the relief they need. So to relieve your eyes from stress, don't skip on your B vitamins. Next, we have vitamin D, famously known as the sunshine vitamin. This essential nutrient is often associated with bone health, but did you know it's a key player in maintaining our vision too? Let's dive a little deeper. One of the main threats to our eyesight as we age is a condition known as macular degeneration. This ailment, which damages the center of the retina, is the leading cause of vision loss among people over 50. Now here's where vitamin D steps in. Studies have suggested that a deficiency in vitamin D could increase the risk of macular degeneration. On the flip side, maintaining adequate levels of this vitamin could help reduce this risk. But that's not all. Vitamin D has also shown promise in supporting overall eye health. It plays a role in reducing inflammation, which is a common factor in several eye conditions. Additionally, it aids in the absorption of other nutrients that are vital for eye health, like calcium and magnesium. So, how do we ensure we're getting enough of this sunshine vitamin? Well, the clue's in the name. Our bodies produce vitamin D naturally when our skin is exposed to sunlight. Just 15 to 20 minutes of sun exposure a day can help maintain healthy levels. But remember, it's important to balance this with protecting your skin from harmful UV rays. For those living in regions with less sunshine, or for those who prefer to stay indoors, there are other ways to get your vitamin D fix. Certain foods are rich in this nutrient. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, cheese, egg yolks, and beef liver are all good sources. For vegetarians and vegans, fortified foods like plant-based milk, cereals, and orange juice can help meet your vitamin D needs. Supplementing with vitamin D is another option, especially for those at risk of deficiency. However, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplement regimen. Remember, a little sunshine can go a long way in maintaining your vision. So, whether it's a quick stroll in the sun or incorporating vitamin D-rich foods into your diet, ensure this vital nutrient is a part of your eye health strategy. Finally, we have vitamin K and zinc, the lesser-known but equally important vision vitamins. These two nutrients may not be the first to come to mind when you think about eye health, but they play crucial roles in maintaining our vision and preventing eye diseases. Let's start with vitamin K. This vitamin is a bit of an unsung hero in eye health. It's essential for the production of certain proteins that maintain the structure and health of the blood vessels in the eye. Without enough vitamin K, these blood vessels could weaken, potentially leading to conditions like age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. Vitamin K can be found in several foods. Green leafy vegetables like kale and spinach are excellent sources. You can also find it in broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and certain types of meat and dairy. So if you're looking to boost your vitamin K intake, consider adding these foods to your diet. Now let's talk about zinc. Zinc is a trace mineral that plays a vital role in transporting vitamin A from the liver to the retina. This process is crucial for producing melanin, a protective pigment in the eyes. Studies have shown that high levels of zinc intake can slow the progression of age-related macular degeneration and vision loss. You can find zinc in a wide variety of foods. Oysters are the highest known source, but you can also get it from red meat, poultry, beans, nuts, and whole grains. Even certain types of dairy products contain zinc. In conclusion, while vitamin K and zinc might not be as well known as some other vitamins, they are just as important for maintaining good eye health. By ensuring we get enough of these nutrients in our diet, we can help protect our eyes and prevent the development of eye diseases. So, never underestimate the power of these lesser-known vision vitamins. So, we've discussed the 7 essential vitamins for your vision health. We kicked off with vitamin A, the vision vitamin, crucial for maintaining the health of our corneas. We then explored vitamin C, the antioxidant powerhouse, which helps fight off harmful free radicals. Not to be outdone, vitamin E, the protector vitamin, assists in reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Our journey continued with the vitamin B complex, the eye stress reliever, beneficial in keeping our optic nerves functioning smoothly. We also delved into the sunshine of our vitamin family, vitamin D, that supports eye health by reducing inflammation. And finally, we touched on the lesser-known vision vitamins, vitamin K and zinc. These unsung heroes play a vital role in preventing serious vision conditions, including cataracts and night blindness. Remember, maintaining your vision health is as simple as incorporating these vitamins into your diet. So keep your eyes healthy and your vision clear.